Hey Karen, this movie is for you. To cook up those elk steaks I got while you were visiting, some biscuits, and some corn. Ooh. I don't know how these biscuits are gonna work out. That one's not gonna be a success. Oh, it's not 100% done, but it's pretty close. Mmm, that is a hit. I'll be doing these more. Mmm, elk. Guess I can probably take off the other one too. Alright, corn still has to come off, but let's take a look at, oh yeah. Take a look how this guy's done. Alright, that's a little well. Oh, this side feels perfect. Yeah. Nice. Alright. Excellent. Now that's Campfire Cooking done right with some dry dock beer. This part here is almost popcorn, but the rest of it seems to be done just perfectly. Excellent. Oh yeah, it's good.